Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll be diving into the newly leaked details about the much-anticipated Google Pixel 9a. With marketing materials now out in the open, we have a clearer idea of what to expect from this exciting smartphone release. Whether you're a Pixel fan or simply curious about the latest tech trends, stick around as we break it all down for you. Let's start with the design and colors. The Google Pixel 9a is set to come in 4 stunning color options: Obsidian, a sleek black; Porcelain, a clean white; Peony, a soft pink; and Iris, a gorgeous shade of purple. The design features a nearly flush dual-camera setup on the back, giving it a modern and polished look. These updates make the device visually appealing, yet practical for everyday use. Moving on to the standout features, the Pixel 9a will integrate deeply with Google Gemini. This advanced technology will enhance everyday apps like Maps, Calendar, and YouTube, making them even more intuitive and user-friendly. Another key feature is the new theft protection system, which is part of Android 10 and later versions. This security feature adds an extra layer of safety, giving users peace of mind when it comes to protecting their device. The specifications of the Pixel 9a are equally impressive. It will be powered by Google's Tensor G4 chipset, which promises smooth performance and efficiency. The device boasts a 6.3-inch OLED display with a full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant colors and smooth scrolling. It also packs a 5,100 mAh battery with 23W wired charging and 7.5W wireless charging, ensuring long-lasting power throughout the day. When it comes to cameras, the Pixel 9a offers a 48MP main lens and a 13MP ultra-wide lens, delivering sharp, high-quality images no matter the scenario. In terms of software, the Pixel 9a will be the first Google phone to launch with Android 15. This means users will have access to the latest features and enhancements, further solidifying its position as a top-tier device. And when it comes to pricing, the Pixel 9a remains competitive. The base model with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is priced at $499, while the higher-end variant with 256GB of storage comes in at $599. Finally, the launch date. According to the leaked materials, the Pixel 9a is rumored to hit the market on March 19, 2025. With just a short time to wait, tech enthusiasts are already buzzing with excitement over what this smartphone will bring. To recap, the Google Pixel 9a combines sleek design, impressive specs, and innovative features, all at an affordable price point. It's packed with everything you need in a smartphone and more. What do you think about the Pixel 9a? Are you excited about its features, or do you have other thoughts? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest in tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.